paying for your children's education, your home and other responsibilities. You take loans and make financial plans to build a secure future. But have you ever stopped to think that what would happen if something unexpected happened to you tomorrow? Life is unpredictable, and even the best plans can change in an instant. That is why having a backup plan is so important. The loans and responsibilities that you carry today should never become a burden for your family if you are not there tomorrow. That is where term insurance comes in. It is not something to avoid. It is a smart way to ensure that your family's future is secure. In an unexpected situation, if something happens to you, term insurance will make sure that financial support is given to your family. And it is not expensive at all, as the premium starts at only 400 to 500 rupees per month, while coverage can go up to crores. This helps your family to manage household expenses, children's education, other important needs, even when you're not around. Now, with the GST removed from term insurance plans, you can get even bigger coverage from the same premium. One smart decision can become a financial shield for your loved ones tomorrow. The link is in the bio. Visit it and compare trusted plans online. Get up to 15% discount and secure your family's future today. Do not wait. Compare trusted plans now and avoid regrets tomorrow. Click the link now.